My name's Brad Cash. I'm the Director of Operations for Environmental Products Group.
My name is Jeremy Hill. I'm the Service Manager out of the Atlanta, Georgia location for Environmental Products.
With Tenna and the fuel tracking, right, we can quantify that fuel amount within Tenna, compare that to when customers rented units so that it makes it much easier for us to be able to go back and charge the appropriate customers. That's another part of Tenna that took a very laborious job and turned it into a click, basically, so that we can pull the reports and fast track that process a little bit better. It may save us anywhere from $500 to $1,500 per trip to South Georgia, being that a guy can go down there, again, 50–75% of the time and have an idea of what he's going for.
The cost savings in making dead runs to go out to look at units. In the past, we've had to go out and chase units down just to get the hours and miles off of them. We can pull all that from the office. I can pull it anywhere during my travels from my cell phone. I've got my whole team set up to pull it directly from their phone while they're in the middle of a job working for another customer.
To the point of 2 trackers, which I think is something that the Tenna team worked on hard for us, is being able to link them together in the system and provide that one single unit visibility, if you will, instead of multiple units in the system. The driver scorecard, which was so fun for us. First, they give us insight into all the guys, right? And then we started sharing these fast accelerations, heavy stops, and again, while it was a serious conversation to cut it out, if you will, it was still fun to interact with the team.
With the Tenna Fleet Tracker and Tenna Mini plug-in, we can track the body and the chassis side. Whenever there is maintenance needed, it does come up. If you pull the truck up on it by itself, it'll come up with a red wrench stating that there's maintenance needed. I can go in and I can pull all the maintenance history on the truck, live view right here as it sits.
It's just easy. It doesn't, there's no headaches, there's no pains.
If I had somebody that was hesitant about Tenna, I'll tell them just go with it. You'll thank me later. It is one of the greatest tools that you can put in your toolbox.